The Montague 60-inch 5-blade ceiling fan by Progress Lighting cools a room with style. The 5-blade Montague features an all-weather, wet location rating to accommodate a variety of interior and exterior locations. It is offered in a choice of finishes: white with white blades, forged black with toasted oak blades, and a rich antique bronze with walnut blades, so there's sure to be a look that fits your decor. The white opal glass shade contains a 17-watt dimmable, 3000 Kelvin module, offering both form and function with energy and cost-saving benefits. A remote with batteries is included. The Montague features a dual mount system to offer greater flexibility when installing. Installation typically takes 20 to 30 minutes by one person. The following tools are required for this installation: Phillips screwdriver, straight slot screwdriver, adjustable wrench, stepladder, and wire cutters. Before beginning this installation, reduce the risk of electric shock by ensuring the electricity has been turned off at the circuit breaker or fuse box, and make sure your ceiling box is rated for a ceiling fan. Follow these steps to properly hang the Montague ceiling fan. Secure the hanger bracket to the ceiling outlet box with the screws and washers provided with your outlet box. Insert the receiver into the mounting bracket with the flat side of the receiver facing the ceiling. Secure the wire connections with the provided plastic nuts. Slide the canopy up to the mounting bracket. Place the keyhole on the canopy over the screw on the mounting bracket. Then turn the canopy until it locks into place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Secure the canopy by tightening the 2 screw sets. Then install the canopy cover. Attach the blades to the blade arms using the 3 screws and rubber washers. Remove one of the 3 screws from the posts of the mounting plate and keep it for future use. Loosen the other 2 screws, but do not remove them. Make the polarized plug connections. Place the keyholes in the LED light kit over the 2 screws previously loosened from the mounting plate. Turn the LED light kit until it locks into place at the narrow section of the keyholes. Securely tighten the 2 light kit mounting screws previously loosened and the one previously removed. Raise the glass shade against the LED light kit and secure it to the fan by turning the light kit shade clockwise until snug. Do not over-tighten the shade. Install the frame onto the light kit with the 4 screws provided. Be sure to tighten all the screws. Restore power to the ceiling fan and test for proper operation. Use the included remote to control the fan speed. Enjoy your new Montague fan. Detailed instructions for Progress Lighting products can be found on our website, www.IsabellesLighting.com.